Hey, all you out in manufacturing land, Will Healy here. Today I want to talk about Manufacturing Day, Manufacturing Month, actually. And this is the Creators Wanted program from National Association of Manufacturers. And I love Manufacturing Day. We've been doing it at Bala for a really long time. And even with coronavirus, it's been challenging, but we've been doing some virtual things, and I'll link in the comments a couple examples of things we've done in the past. But I really want to create a call to action to you to think about how can you do a manufacturing a day event at your facility. And I know right now there's a lot of places where we can't do visitors, and there's no way we could have people in our plant. That's cool. I totally get it. If you can have people in your factory, if you're doing tours again and that's an option, I'm really asking you, help us make Manufacturing Day a success in 2021. So, some organizations are able to do big events. Some organizations maybe just can have one tour with 10 people. Whatever you can do, please consider doing a Manufacturing Day event. The whole point of this is to help bring awareness to manufacturing and all the amazing careers that we have in manufacturing, and to help us overcome things like the skills gap that we're challenged with, the silver tsunami of all the baby boomers retiring, attracting Generation Z and millennials into our workforce, attracting minorities and women into our workforce. So how do we really raise the visibility and the appeal of manufacturing? Most people are only exposed to two pictures, and those are from the history textbooks in school. Henry Ford's production plant, which is amazing, but it's from 1911, and maybe a steel mill from World War II. And so manufacturing's very different than that today. And how do we expose people to a new view of modern manufacturing? So I'm going to link in the comments a couple of links, but most importantly, registering your company for a Manufacturing Day event and ideas from the National Association of Manufacturers on how to have a Creators Wanted Manufacturing Month, Manufacturing Day event in October. And don't forget to hit follow next to my name at the top.